Hey everybody, the project for today is to get the Tigermoth ready to go in the garage for the winter. Let's get to it. So before we start working in the garage, I'm going to make a fire out here, and then I'm going to clear out the embers, and I'm going to pack it with kindling. Generally speaking, you want to start with a couple of the larger pieces of kindling.
Crisscross progressively smaller pieces toward the top.
Okay, that's going now pretty good. Now let's get that garage cleaned out. Okay, that's cleaned up good enough. Okay, I'm just gonna get some of this snow off of here. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, let's get this camp bike folded up. Okay, that's all folded up. Okay, before we can move the trailer in, let's take care of this wheel and changing the tire for the winter. Okay, with these Rad City bikes with the direct drive motor, there's just this one connector here. Okay, this washer got some of this Loctite on it, so I'm just going to kind of shear it with this ice pick here. There we go. Okay, let's get the air out of the tube. Okay, before we take the tube out, I'm going to get some soapy water and just make sure the rims are free of dirt. Okay, let's get some of those tire pry bar things. Take the tube out now. Okay, rotation is going this way. Rotation is going this way. Okay, so now let's put some air in this tire. Okay, let's get this tire put back on. Okay, that's on there. Okay, I'll make the electrical connection. Okay, I'm just going to put a tiny amount of dielectric grease on these connectors. Okay, this bike is riding good. Okay, now what do you say we get this Tigermoth put into the garage for the winter? Okay, here's the Tigermoth all tucked away for the winter. That turned out real good and it fit no problem. Okay, the cob oven has been going for pretty much the majority of the day, and now I'm gonna take out all the coals and pack the cob oven with wood. Okay, I've got all of the coals cleared out. The bottom of the oven is 615 degrees. The top is around 700. Okay, the outside of the oven is about 120 degrees. So do you hear that kind of hollow, thin sound? That dried up real nice. I don't have a moisture meter, but I think these will make real nice pieces to make some kindling out of. Alright, so that job's done. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.